We all came from pandemic. We had a lot of learnings from it, and we understood what corona is capable of spreading so fast and affecting lives. We followed three simple things, right? So social distancing, hygiene, and vaccine to control the virus and solve the problem. So I was thinking a similar solution could be useful in this busy world, right? And that is giving a more motivation to say why we started Habits. A small game, which can be played in the family, and they understand each other, and they're able to solve their needs and the issues within their home, just like how we maintain social distancing, and we wanted to contain within our home, and whatever my child needs or my parents need, someone who has you know the will and patience to you know work with the family and bring that peace